This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Trey Decker. Imagine the comfort and ease of living just a short distance from the beach. This quaint two-bedroom condo, in the heart of Ocean View, offers views and easy access to the beautiful Chesapeake Bay. With no monthly condo fees, this is the perfect property for owner-occupants, savvy investors looking for a high-demand short/long-term rental property, or snowbirds seeking a warm winter retreat. Conveniently located near military bases and all that Hampton Roads has to offer. Don't miss this opportunity to embrace the coastal lifestyle. December 6, 2024. For more information, review the details below.